Introducing our new GalvinCare Mental Health Anti-Ligature SafeConnect Shower System. It ticks all the safety boxes, is aesthetically pleasing and easy to use. Let us show you how. To ensure your patient is safe at all times, the SafeConnect Shower System is set up as a three-piece system. The fixed installed thermostatic progressive shower mixer with GalvinCare handle, also available in lead-safe brass, the fixed installed GalvinCare anti-ligature SafeConnect shower head, and the GalvinCare detachable handheld shower. The handheld shower, including supplied hose, is only connected when in use during assisted showering. After use, the hose is disconnected from the shower head, minimizing the risk of self-harm. This action also acts as a shower diverter, meaning the requirement for an additional diverter is no longer needed, saving installation time and costs. The GalvinCare SafeConnect shower head works in two separate ways. If no showering assistance is required, the patient can simply use the standard fixed installed shower head. For assisted showering, the safety stored detachable handheld shower can be used. Here's how to install it. Connect the hose to the shower hose by pushing the hose connection into the wall fitting. Maintain pressure to the hose with one hand while pushing the outer ring forward. You can now release the outer ring while still applying pressure to the hose. Check that the hose is securely connected before turning on the water. After showering, turn off the water. Then you can disconnect the hose by pushing the outer ring forward and pulling it downwards. Remember to take the detached handheld shower with you when leaving. Thanks for watching. We are passionate about water solutions for a healthier environment.